Mr. Brownstone, can I talk to you for a second?
What do you want?
Well,
Bye.
look, it's important.
Make it quick, Rivet.
Have you heard of FRC?
Yeah, actually, I'm Dean King.
Who?
I think I left my toaster on. I gotta go.
I had an idea to start one here at school.
And?
We would need a head mentor.
And?
Would you please be head mentor?
Why should I?
It's so rewarding.
Maybe for you.
Hey, Real, what's up?
Nothing much. Headed to class, like we all do, 5 days a week.
Anyways, I was planning on starting a robotics team here at school.
Why are you asking me? Shouldn't you ask the principal?
Yeah, I already did. She said that we need 4 students and mentor.
Oh, so like you want me to join?
Yeah, you do media stuff, right?
Yes, on @makin.magic on TikTok and Makin Magic Robotics team on YouTube and Instagram. Sorry, what was I talking about?
Would you consider joining?
I could, but I'm too busy with school and debate team right now.
Oh, what's your topic?
Oh, it's whether teachers should be allowed to bring their own posters.
Well, if I wrote your debate speech for you, would you consider joining?
I'll consider it.
That works. Hey, Danny.
I'm playing Minecraft.
I was wondering, would you join a robotics team for our school?
Bet, but can you get my main man Ada? She's like good at programming.
Hey, you're Ada Byte, right?
Yeah, and who are you?
I'm Rivet Miller, and I want to start an FRC team here at the school. Have you heard of the program?
Of course, I was on the team back in California, but I'm not gonna team with some rookies.
But it's so rewarding.
Maybe for you, but I like to win.
That's not very graciously professional.
Not the Woody Flowers once.
Who? Well, what if I prove that it's both fun and challenging?
And how would you do that?
Go.
Ada, look, all we have is this one student and me. All he does is play Minecraft, and I hit my thumb every time I pick up a hammer.
Oh, I guess. I am really good at programming, and you might as well just call me Ada Lovelace.
Who?
Okay, y'all are all pathetic. Fine. First we mine, then we craft.
Let's Minecraft!
Yeah!
An absolute necessity for all teachers. It is their absolute most valuable possession. Also, everyone knows toasters are cool as heck. People just shove bread into some slots and seconds later it toasts itself. And they uncover the magic of the toast. To forbid someone from a toaster is to take their 6 cents toaster check.
Well, do you like it?
You did know I was debating against toasters, right?
You didn't say it had to be good. So will you join?
Yeah, I'll join.
Great, now all we need is Mr. Brownstone. Look, we have a full team, so will you please?
But Rivet and Real, and young Ada too, and dear little Danny, with one untied shoe. They didn't need begging, nor whining, nor pleas. For Brownstone had changed, with remarkable ease. Yes, earlier that day, it's quite hard to believe, his heart grew 3 sizes on that Tuesday eve. Well, the principal did give me leave.
A car? No. A workshop.
Yeah!
This is great. Now all our team needs is a name.
How about
Share your ideas for a team name in the comments below. Gamers.